What's up, guys? I'm gonna get chased by a dog. See how smart you are. Yeah! Oh, God! She knows! She's an attack dog, no! No, please, God, no! Oh, God! Seriously, she's following me! Oh, God. I just stamped in a damn ant pile. Let's do a backflip. That deserves a backflip. No hands! No hands! Okay. Okay. Bam! God, no. God, no. Okay, guys. Okay. Good luck. I'm telling you, cut to run. Just survive. There you go. Just survive. God, she's coming. Just survive. Okay. I just busted my screen. Okay, fuck. Okay. Oh, fucking subscribe, because I am getting chased by a dog and fucking no hands. Give it up for Big Mac Nation. I don't know. Give it up for me. Okay. Fuck you. You'll never catch me alive, garbage. Okay. I'm telling you, across the road one more time. That little hit a rock. That hit a rock. Oh, God. Busted my screen. Even more. Okay, fuck. That was shit. Thanks for chasing me. Please subscribe. And hope you liked it. The battery almost fell out. Wow. Okay. Please subscribe. My Android score is half broken. So please subscribe. Okay? I'm not gonna get that fixed. Oh, fuck. That was shit. Okay. Hope. Please subscribe. I just got chased by a dog. Threw my Android across the street twice. Or road twice. I just spit out blood. Oh. Hope y'all enjoying this. I'm stupid. Because I just busted my Android screen. So, hope y'all enjoying this. And do something. Because, crap. If y'all do, that might be something that I do for the freaking next subscriber mark. I didn't make it to the subscriber mark, but I just wanted to freaking do it. Like, my best plan. It wasn't my plan to throw it across the road. Oh, that was stupid. I threw it across the road twice. Go back in time, stop myself from doing it, and then you'll see myself down. Okay. Subscribe, and you might see this again. Or something even fucking cooler, like throwing it off a dam. Driving the fucking ATV again. But this time fucking doing donuts, because there's bloody places all over now. Hope y'all enjoyed this. Goodbye.